All right, guys, we got something special for you today. You don't see too many of these cars. The 93 Z28 Camaro pace car. Thing only has 4,900 miles. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this. So we're gonna go ahead and do as usual, paint correction on it, ceramic coat it, those good things. We know the paint is pretty rashy. That's given. That's why we're gonna do the paint correction. And so it's gonna be a pretty cool little transformation. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun project. I'm really looking forward to the end result. All right, guys, there you have it. We got the 93 Z28 Indy pace car completed. After a long, grueling two-stage paint correction on it, it came out phenomenal. Super pumped. We also topped it off with a brand new ceramic coating that I'm starting to try now by Aquatech, and you're gonna see a lot more of that coating. It's a great, great product, but there you have it. I mean, the car just looks stunning in the sunlight especially. So if you guys like projects like this, ultra rare kind of cool cars like this, hit the like, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you at the next level.